Alright guys, today I'm gonna make a hanger for, hold on, see I should have had all this stuff out here, hair tools. Make it out of some angle iron. This is gonna be cut at 6 inches. Hose will be cut and slotted into this, and pretty much it. So stay tuned and watch. So this right here is the hole where it's going to be hanging, is 5/16. So before I cut it, I'm going to just kind of talk about what I'm doing anyway. Had to go get a new drill bit. I'm going to go up a size more at 11/32 and drill the hose and then slot. So right now I'm going to make measurements to make cut this to 6 inches, and then we'll go from there. So now guys, I gotta make the measurements. I'm going back, original is going back a half inch on this, but I didn't count in. I didn't count in for the 1/8, so I'm going in, this will be go back 5/8, the line will. Well, that's one part of it done. Now I gotta find the at 1 inch on each one of these. So I got So this is 6 inches long. I got 5 hose, so there'll be 5 slots. From here to here on both ends, there's an inch from both ends. I still got to make a slot on both ends for the mountain hose, but we'll do that. We'll do these mountain hose later. Hopefully y'all can still see this. I made these hose. Ready to be drilled. I'm using a press because it's easier for me. So, start drilling the hose now. Hose are drilled. Keep the ball across there and clean some burrs up. Now to slot this, I'm going to mark the lines, and then I'm going to take a cutoff wheel and just ease it and cut them off. Stay tuned for that too. Messed it up some, so I'm just gonna have to be super careful when I these Dollar Tree markers suck. Be super careful when I cut this. Over here to the vise. Guys, let me get my gear ready. I'm just going to use this cheap Harbor Freight thing. I got it. Wanted another grinder, and I couldn't afford another good one yet, so I had to compromise, and this was $5 on sale, so gotta work with what you can get forward right. Some of the hoses are a little bit off, so what I'm going to do is just take a file and just clean them up. Got the slots. Sorry guys. Piled down. It's 91 degrees out here. It's miserable almost. Now I'm just going to take the flat disc. I'm going to clean up both sides, and then we can work on the mount hose. Where did I put that? Okay, you can see this slides in there easily. So let's get this done. Alright guys, I'll let that cool down for a second. I'll be back with you. Alright, I got my mountain hoe put about where I want them. It might be a little off, I'm not for sure, but for what its purpose, I ain't gonna worry too much. Especially since it's getting to be so hot in here. Let's drill this. I'm going to change this drill bit out to something a little smaller. So my hose on this might be a little off, or my mountain hose, but this is a pretty simple, easy design. I'm gonna clean off the burrs from drilling with a file real quick. And that's pretty much it. You can hang it out, hang it wherever you want. You can hang it up this way, you can hang it up this way. Actually, I think I'm gonna try it out hanging up this way. But anyway, let me go over these specs again with y'all. This piece of angle iron is a 1 inch. It's a thickness is 1/8. Let me get down here. The hose are, what did I say the hose are? Hold on. 1132. There's 5 of them. I marked them an inch apart, and these ones right here, these first ones on both ends, they're marked an inch from the start, and then I marked each apart from there. So there's 5 slots on there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The hose, I can't remember what size that bit is. I can't see it on there no more. But anyway, the slots ain't the prettiest slots, but this right here will work great. So let's get this put up and put some tools on it. And there you have it, guys. It is hung up and got some stuff hanging on it. It works great. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it turned out okay. Sometimes it's hard to tell when you're recording on a GoPro because you can't see the screen or anything. So hopefully it turned out good. And hopefully y'all get some use out of it. I'm sure y'all can make a bigger design for like bigger tools. Like, you know, like this die grinder, but bigger for the impacts and stuff. But that stuff I keep inside my toolbox. I was more worried about my my blowgun and my tire chuck, because those are always going missing in the shop. So anyway, thanks again, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Thanks again, guys.